Hello, my great friends. The market's over, and I'm giving you a quick review of the Trade Ideas Artificial Intelligence and why you should really sign up for our test drive that's coming up on June 5th. Okay, what the Trade Ideas AI does, all the scripting is all behind the scenes, all the filtering, all the analyzing, including what the spies are doing, and everything is happening behind the scenes on our proprietary data set. Okay, this is a data set that TradingView and our competitors, they just don't have it because Trade Ideas makes our own data. So let's see how it did today. There were 4 artificial intelligence trades. Let's start off with this short in HASI. And notice we're letting you see what's called picture-in-picture charting. Okay, I can remove it. I can put it back in here. I'm looking at the weekly chart on HASI, and you can see there's a lot of weakness here. Could be at support, by the way, but for a day trade, the AI picked short, and here was the entry at 23.87, and pretty much right after the entry it proceeded to go lower, rebounded, so you could have had another entry a little bit later and then continued to go further and further and further and further. I think this is a bad aftermarket print, and here it is at 22.21. Okay, fantastic trade. Here's another one at MRTX. And again, remember, not every trade works out perfectly. Here, this one is a short at 38.47. And it went lower, went higher. Let me move the picture-in-picture. There you can see it went lower, came back to it. You could have shorted it and then really had a really nice profit right here. And then it continued to stay below the entry, rose up, and is still just a little bit below the entry in after hours. And then you have 2 longs. Entry right here and pretty much flatlined the whole day. You know, AI thought it was going to break out, but it didn't. And here's one where, again, it got in, went up for like 35 minutes or so, and then proceeded to go lower, but never below the stop. This is what our AI does. It teaches you how to trade by showing you proper risk management, and it does all the other things for you. This is why you have to check out our test drive, and of course, get to see what picture-in-picture charting is all about and many, many other features. Please visit us, and you'll see the difference that Trade Ideas brings to the table.